Welcome to Accounting 101. This year, we decided to take a different approach by focusing on accounting for metric or accounting for grade 12 students. So, on this channel, we will be focusing on accounting grade 12. So, again, we will also look at the syllabus in which chapters or topics are being covered. So we will use the same Department of Basic Education syllabus to make sure that we cover all topics at exact pace as per the high schools. We will also use previous question papers as our form of revision. Online classes will also be available on request at a fee. So stay tuned on Accounting 101 as we are now focusing on accounting for metric or accounting for grade 12 students. Thank you. Stay tuned.